antique chainsaw. Okay, so I got this sawed into 2 pieces. I'm going to take this out. It's sawed into 2 equal pieces right there. So I'm going to take the middle out, this middle here, drill a little hole in there and drill a little hole in there and make a couple birdhouses for the kids. Out. Now, pop that stuff out. I'm making a couple of birds' nests, birdhouses there now for my grandson. I use those for mink boxes actually sometimes. In the woods, mink boxes is nice. But birds like them. So you get all that old crap around there. Nice smell, juniper smell. Or I don't know, juniper, what's it? There's a nice smell anyway. Oh man, it's ever strong. Okay. This is the hole. There. It's all scooped out, so I gotta get a Forstner bit now. Now I'm ready to drill the hole. I got 2 of them scooped out. That one and that one. Now the hole needs to be in the front, which is going to be somewhere right here, I guess. As you're going through the side there. Squirrel's going to get into it. There's one little hole, look that way, same thing right here. The battery's going down there. Just when you think you're having fun. Oops, not good on my bit. Juniper. That's juniper. Nice smell. Anyway, now we gotta get something for the roof. Let's figure out a piece of pine. Do it. Just pine slab. And 2 pieces. See if you're in this. Yeah. 2 pieces of pine there. Just chop that off. Chop the whole stuff out. The birds like to rough. One piece. So, like that. Just join it up like that and screw it on. One there, so I need 2 like that. The bottom one, get the bottom layer on. So I just little bit of roof. Go like that. It's like a little shade. The birds will like it. Anyway, do a bit of straightening out on that now. Oop. Now screw the roof on. Dick screws. Down into something, but it don't seem very solid. Yeah, that's better. Going to spring down more now. I want some birds out for you. Going down there is a bit too tight. Anyway, we're going to be the caulking down through here. Now I'll put a little stip right here, and I'll run a bead of caulking down across that. and they'll have home comfort. This is for the little bird now to step on when he comes down. That should do it. Out. I got the roof on. I just pushed out a piece of pine there, chunk of wood out of the Argo, and split it on the splitter, wood splitter, log splitter. Now I'm making a little thing for the bird to sit on. They got to go right in that little hole right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop it out with my round it out with my knife. You don't want it to be like round. And that wall's not even fair enough. Now I got that put in. That's the little thing from the to land on when he was in the house. And that's made out of juniper, so that should not break. So pretty well juniper all around that little bird feeder. I gotta find something for the bottom there now. Out. And this is what I use for the bottoms. This is ordinary old plastic ice cream tub. So I just measure that, put a mark around where it needs to be cut. Right there, it needs to be over on that side. And it needs a little bit chopped out right there. And that's that. I just take the chisel and chisel her down. Now, let's write the top. Alright, this down far enough. So, mark it around this way. So you can clean her out when you want to clean out. So just take it out and cut around that line with your scissors or knife. No, that's what my scissors. They don't keep it in the jagged. And that's your bottom of your thing. So anyway, put it in there this way. I'm driving it there. And there you go. That's all the stuff in there for the. That's it. Yep. When that lifts up, the light comes into it too, so the little bird won't be afraid. Out. build yourself a little birdhouse, just like this one. For next to nothing. A few screws, piece of wood with a hole in it. And I guess all you need now is a bit of straw. There's the bottom of it there. It's just a plastic tub shoved up there so as you pull it down to clean it out. One for Christian and one for Jaylee, I guess. Yeah, that's it. And that's the smell of juniper now. Out. Five and a half inches. 5 and 3/4 inches. Five and 3/4 inches. Five and 3/4 right there. We're a bit rusty. Anyway, that's it. 5 and 3/4. That's the bottom. So I'll cut that out now.